another video, and today we're going to be replacing the exhaust system. Currently I have a valve set up. I'll show you guys kind of the pieces of it as I remove it, but currently I have a catted downpipe to just a straight pipe back to two mufflers, and they're valved mufflers, so I can open them, then they're loud, I can close them and they're quiet. I'll show you guys what those sound like, but I'm changing it, so I'm just straight piping it. I am doing a Catless downpipe to just a straight pipe out the back, so I'm sure that'll be loud and it's going to be fun, but let's just get started. Alright, so now that you guys have kind of heard a little bit of what it currently sounds like, I'm going to start removing it. So here's all I have to do. So I got to unplug and remove the vacuum system. I got to unplug the lines from the mufflers, pull the entire system, the entire vacuum line system out, get that out and boxed up somewhere. Got to remove the V-band clamps holding the mufflers on. Got to remove the V-band clamps that hold the rear section on. Got to remove the V-band clamp that holds the test pipe where I could install a resonator, but I just didn't. Got to remove that one. And then up at the front, there's just a U-bolt clamp that clamps to the downpipe. So that's going to be the removal. It'll be just a downpipe dump for a couple of days, maybe. Tomorrow is when I receive the new Catless downpipe, so I'll replace that. It's just a V-band clamp, remove it, put the new one on, good to go. After that, I got to put the OEM system back on, and then I'm going to have the mufflers removed and just get straight pipes welded in, but I got to take it to a muffler shop to do that because I don't want to do it myself. I made this system completely custom in my grandma's garage, welded it all up myself, and that was a lot of work. I don't want to have to deal with that again. I don't want to deal with cutting, bending, all of that stuff. So I'm just going to take it to a muffler shop. I brought my charger there back when I owned a charger. They were really good. They did it pretty quick and they did it really good. So I'm just going to take it there. It's going to cost me maybe a couple $100 to get the straight pipes welded in with some just regular exhaust tips. So let's get started on removal. Alright, so I got the whole system off. There's the mufflers, there's this mid pipe section, that's the rear section. So yeah, the whole system is off now, so all I have to do tomorrow when my part gets here is switch out the downpipe, which is right there. There's just one bolt up in there. You undo it and it's a V-band clamp, so that just pops off, the new one pops on, tighten the bolt back up. You're in business. So I just got to do that tomorrow, and then I got to put the OEM system back on, which is going to be a pain in the butt, but we'll figure it out. So yeah. What's up, everybody? So it is now the next day. So you guys just saw me remove my exhaust system. So I already did the cat removal while I was at work today. I took off the catalytic converter downpipe and I put the Catless downpipe. I'm not going to record audio on this camera of the Catless downpipe dump, because when I recorded last night and I went back and listened to the audio, it is horrible audio quality because of how bad the microphone is on this camera. This is like a cheap $50 camera that I just bought from Best Buy just to record for right now. Better camera on the way. With that being said, I recorded a clip for Instagram on my phone with a much better microphone. So I'll insert that clip right here. Alright, so that's kind of what it sounds like. If you want the best reenactment of how loud it is in person, toss on some headphones, crank that volume all the way up, and then listen to it again. It's gonna hurt your ears. It hurts my ears. So yeah, just a little bit of a comparison if you want it. So now what's gonna happen is we're gonna put the OEM system back on. So this system right here, it's got an exhaust hanger there, exhaust hanger there, exhaust hanger there, same on the other side, there's 3. So I've got to put those 6 exhaust hangers on, and then there's one bolt right here with a clamp. So I just got to take this bolt off, put the clamp on, tighten the bolt, and it'll be done. So should take me like 30 minutes to an hour. It is going to quiet it down a little bit for now. It'll still be louder than stock, but it'll quiet it down a lot more than it is right now. On Thursday, I'm going to end up leaving work early, and I'm going to go to a muffler shop where they're going to cut this right here. They're going to weld a pipe that runs up to here, and then it does a 45-degree angle, and it shoots out the back. I might get exhaust tips. I might wait on that. Not sure yet. Depends on pricing and everything. So that's what will happen on Thursday, and at that point, it is going to be extremely loud. We're going to get a few pops and bangs out the back, and mostly we're just going to terrorize neighborhoods. Alrighty guys, so it is the day after I just put the Catless downpipe on my car, and I'm now going to get my mufflers removed. It was supposed to wait till Thursday, but I'm just taking an extended lunch at work and going to get them removed. So I'm on my way over there, like 15 minutes away. I'll get a few driving shots of my car with the mufflers on so you guys can hear how quiet it is, and then I will get driving shots of me without mufflers so that way you guys can hear how loud it is. So with the mufflers on, my car is so quiet I can hear the road noise over the engine. I can occasionally hear the turbo blow off, but I'm sure you guys can't hear that on camera because it is really quiet. But yeah, this is with the windows up.